amis! Today we will be making some gâteau à la crème cuite. C'est délicieux, mes amis. Au revoir.
You'll need half a cup of crème fraîche, 2/3 a cup of fine sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for this recipe. After adding the vanilla extract, we're going to add the sugar, and then we're going to add the crème fraîche, and then we're going to mix it up initially with the blender, but then we're going to a hand blender, but then we're going to use our hands, and we're going to create a nicely tied in dough that we're going to then use to make the cookies with. Alright, you can see how this has sort of created crumbles, very sort of buttery, even though there's no butter in the recipe. It's kind of a crumbly dough. When you knead it enough though and warm it up, it looks just like this, and it's really soft and easy to work with. Okay, you can see that I have a pan here, baking sheet with parchment paper on it. You can use butter on the pan too. I'm going to create little medallions, little cookie shape bundles of dough that I'm going to spread out a couple inches apart. I'm going to set the oven for 350 degrees. That's the preheat. That's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then that would be 176.6 degrees Celsius. The cookies will be in the oven for about 10 minutes, and when you start to notice that there's browning of the edges or the bottoms of the cookies, they are considered done and you can pull them out.
C'est trop bon! Oh, don't forget to press the subscribe button! It is at the bottom of your screen, and do not forget to comment and share. Thank you very much. Au revoir.